This is how you're going to create a custom invoice template. Custom invoice templates allow you to brand your financial documents. First, you're going to head over to your Intuit QuickBooks, and then from here, you're going to click the gear icon in the top right corner right here beside your profile icon. Now, from there, you're going to select custom form styles under your company section. And then once you're here, you're going to head over to the sales tab and then customize look and feel, but you don't have to do that if you already have, if you've been taken to this page already. Now, from here, you're just going to click on new style right here at the top right. And then from there, you're going to click on invoice. Now, for the design, you're going to use the design tab right here at the left side to change the template style, add your logo, and select font or color scheme. So you can find it right here. You can dive in with a template. You can use a template that they have. You can add your unique logo, splash some color, or you can set your own color that you want. So for me, for example, we want to set this to blue or green or anything that you want. We're going to keep it pink, and then you can also choose your own font and your EFT details, and you can also print it from here. Now, for the content tab right here in the middle, you can use this to click directly on the invoice preview areas to edit what details are shown. Like for example, the fields, columns, footer, or text. And then for the emails area, you can use the emails tab to customize the subject and body of the email sent with the invoice. So you can find how your invoice appears in emails, the standard email section, and all of that stuff. And then once you're done, editing your invoice, you can just head or you can just click on done, or you can also just preview this as PDF if you want to preview it first before you save the file. So it will appear right here when your customers see it. And all you have to do now is to click on done to save your edits. And that's it. That is how you're going to create a custom invoice template. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this.